So I'm going to be implementing some static stretches and some dynamic stretches. And with stretching, it's recommended that you do each stretch twice and hold it for 15 seconds. So my first static stretch would be a pectoralis stretch like this. And that would obviously stretch your pectoralis major and minor muscles, and it would increase shoulder horizontal abduction. And the next static stretch that I was going to do is the gastrocnemius stretch. You would push your toes into the wall, and that would stretch your gastrocnemius and your soleus muscles, and it would increase your dorsiflexion motion. The other static stretch I was going to do would be the sternocleidomastoid stretch like this, and it would obviously stretch out your sternocleidomastoid muscle and gain you some lateral flexion and possibly extension in your neck. So then I was going to do 3 dynamic stretches. The first one being the lunge with a twist, and you just alternate and do that for 15 seconds. And after you do the lunge with the twist stretch, I feel like that would probably stretch both your hamstrings when in the lunge and your erector spinae group. So with the motion that you would gain with that, it would gain hip flexion with your lunge, and the twisting would end up gaining you trunk rotation. Another dynamic stretch that you could do would be if you went over to a wall, you could do like a sideways leg swing, and that would be stretching out your adductor muscles, and that would gain you hip abduction. And then another stretch you could do at the wall that's dynamic would be a forwards leg swing like this, and that would stretch out your hamstring muscles again and gain you hip flexion.